If you saw this question on an Amazon or Google entrance test, what would you do? 600 gram of syrup has 40% jaggery in it. How much jaggery should be added to make it 50% in the syrup? Most candidates immediately start writing long algebraic equations trying to solve for x. But in a high-pressure interview, time is your most valuable asset. While others are struggling with 20 minutes of manual calculation, I am going to show you how to arrive at the perfect answer in under 60 seconds using a powerful logic called the alligation rule.
Hey thinkers, welcome back to Think Sharp Alley, where every turn leads to a smart solution.
Alligation means mixing two or more ingredients in some ratio. Now, when you are mixing two ingredients, they are obviously at different price or maybe at different concentration, different value. So one is at cheaper value, let's call it C, and another is at dearer value, let's call it D. When you mix these two together, you get a mixture, so we call the mean value M. The value of M obviously lies between C and D. Once you have identified these values C, M and D, then subtract the mean from the dearer rate to get D minus M and subtract the cheaper rate from the mean to get M minus C. The resulting values will represent the ratio of the quantities needed. So here comes our alligation formula, which says quantity of cheaper item by quantity of dearer item is equal to D minus M by M minus C. So the ratio of these two quantities will be equal to ratio of these two, D minus M by M minus C. Now what is D minus M? If you understand, this is the loss for the dearer ingredient. How much its value drops to reach the mean. That must be exactly balanced by the gain of the cheaper ingredient. M minus C shows how much its value increases, rises to reach the mean. So when you're subtracting diagonally, you're mathematically finding the weights required to balance these two deviations perfectly. Remember here C, M, D, they are simply numerical representation of quality. Sometimes they denote cost price, that is the value. For example, you mix rice worth rupees 20 per kg with rice worth rupees 60 per kg to get a mixture that costs rupees 45 per kg. Or it may denote concentration or strength common in chemistry or pharmacy when mixing liquids of different strength. Suppose you mix 10% alcohol solution with a 50% alcohol solution, so that is your D, to create a new liquid with a 30% concentration, that is your M. It is also used when you have two different rates and want an overall average rate. For example, you invest money at 5% interest, that is your C, and some money at, let's say, 15% interest, that's your D. At the end of the year, your total interest earned across both is 12%. That becomes your M. It can also be used for things like speed or scores, average. I hope you've got the point. Now let's apply this logic in our problem. First of all, we will identify our values over here. So 600 gram of jaggery syrup has 40% jaggery. So the jaggery syrup is the cheaper item over here and the cheaper value, that is the percentage is given. So C is 40%. Now I am adding some jaggery to it. So jaggery is that pure jaggery. So the percentage of jaggery in pure jaggery is obviously 100%. So this is our dearer item. Okay. Now when we are mixing it, the mixture has 50% jaggery and 50% syrup. So 50% is the mean value over here. Now using that alligation rule, let's plug in the values. So quantity of cheaper item. Now cheaper item is the jaggery syrup. So quantity of jaggery syrup is 600 gram given. And let the quantity of dearer item be X. Let's plug in all the values. So we have 600 by X equal to 100 minus 50 divided by 50 minus 40. Let's do the calculation. So we have 600 by X equals to 50 by 10. Now we cancel the zeros from here. So we have 5 in the right hand side. So X is equal to 600 by 5, which is equal to 120, which means 120 gram of jaggery should be added. And that is how you turn a complex mixture problem into a 30 seconds mental math win. If you want to keep sharpening your quantitative aptitude and learn more shortcuts that the top 1% use, make sure to subscribe. Stop calculating and start strategizing. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.